Curious about how to bring your imagination to life with AI? Today, we are diving into the 8 text-to-image generators that turn your words into stunning artwork with just a few clicks. Let's start with Stable Diffusion 3. Enter your text prompt. Choose the model that fits your vision. Select how many images you want, and pick an aspect ratio. Once you are ready, hit Generate, and in seconds, your images are created. You can preview them and simply click Download to save your favorite creations. And that's just the start. We have got even more incredible tools coming up. Next, we explore Perchance. Type in your prompt, then select an art style that captures the feel of your vision. After that, choose the shape and number of images you would like to generate. Hit Generate and watch as your ideas are transformed into unique images. When you are ready, right-click on any image and save it effortlessly. Now, let's try something magical with Artguru. This AI tool blends speed with artistic mastery. Begin by typing your prompt and selecting the aspect ratio. Choose the number of images and the style that best matches your idea. Once set, hit Generate and in seconds, your masterpiece comes to life. You can preview and download your art instantly. We are just getting warmed up. Enter Aike AI, an all-in-one creative suite powered by Flux.1 Pro. Enter your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and click Run. Your images materialize right before your eyes. Keep creating and let the magic unfold. Enter the world of Flux Image AI, where your imagination becomes reality with a few clicks. Enter your prompt, choose the model, aspect ratio, and hit Generate. In just a few moments, your vision is turned into reality. Once you are happy with the result, download it with a single click. Simple, fast, and fun. But there is even more in store. With Starry AI, you can add an extra touch of finesse to your artwork. Type in your prompt, then select your style, quality, and the number of images you want to create. Click Generate and watch the magic happen. If you need a higher resolution, just click Upscale, and your image sharpens instantly. Ready? Hit Download to save your beautiful creation. We are not done yet. Another exciting tool is coming your way. With StableCog, creating amazing art is fast and easy. Enter your prompt, select the aspect ratio, choose the model, and adjust the guidance scale. Hit Generate, and your artwork will be ready in seconds. Need a higher resolution? Click Upscale and download your masterpiece. But we have saved the best for last. Finally, we have got Airbrush, the ultimate one-click AI-powered image generator. Enter your description, select your AI engine and image dimensions, click Create Image, and in no time, your art is generated. And when you are happy with it, click Download to save your masterpiece. And there you have it, 8 incredible text-to-image generators that make creating visual art a breeze. Whether you are looking for full customization or a quick one-click solution, these tools offer endless possibilities for your creativity. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Start creating today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.